Okay, so we're on step 5, responsive web design, free code camp, learn HTML by building a cat photo app. Step 5. So here it says HTML5 has some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engines optimization and accessibility. The main element is used to represent the main content of the body of the HTML document. Content inside the main element should be unique to the document and should not be repeated in other parts of the document. Example, main, H1 element, P element, and closing main. So assignment is to identify the main section of this page by adding a main opening tag before the H1 element and a main closing tag after the P element. So here, let me see, what we're gonna do is just to add the main element. So which is gonna be main, open, we have main and close. And we have the H1 element, and we're just gonna close it here with the main element. So we're gonna open main and we're gonna close. All right, so let's check and see if it works. And let's go. All right, that's it. Submit and go to the next challenge. Thank you for watching and see you in step 6.